everyone. I'm Surbhi Kalia. Yes, this is like what? This is my night suit. Yes, I'm in my night suit. I wanted to come like just like that because I'm personally making a hair mask video. I don't want to wear my fancy clothes and show you that that's how I do it. No, I'm normally like this when I do my hair masking or face masking. So today, as you guys must have noticed if you've seen my last video, I've gone really short on my hair. I've gone like this length. I'll just open it, and of this length is of course the styling, and other thing is that you can mask it more often. It's easy to mask, you know, and I'm excited. Look, it gives a lot of volume to my hair. So today I'm doing a hair mask which has amazing thing. First of all, it has lots of aloe vera. So I've taken around 1.5 leaf of aloe vera. I've taken an egg. I have taken castor oil, which is really nourishing, and the fourth thing is onion juice. Notice the ingredient, they are the most amazing ingredients for the hair, so I think you should try this. I have mixed it properly in a blender, which I do quite often. So this is what I have prepared. So only thing is this has become really watery, you know, but the thing is that you might have to put it under the sink because you don't want this to, you know, because it might just fall on your clothes. But right now I'll put a little bit in front of you just to show you how do you go about applying it, like the basics. So I'm using this coloring brush, if you have one. So you can go like this, and okay, so this is quite messy actually. So okay, it's a little messy in front of the camera. I don't want to do that. So basically you have to go section by section, keep pulling your hair, try to apply it on the roots, on the length, and you'll have to wait for minimum 30 minutes, 40 minutes, up to an hour, and then you'll see a lot of difference. Okay, so I applied it. It was really messy to apply it because, you know, it was very little watery consistency, but you know, I have gone by root and then a little bit on my end. It is also important to put on the ends because it has a lot of aloe vera, and aloe vera really hydrates your ends. So I think I'll do a little bit of massage like this so that, you know, it's not just sitting on my hair and going inside my roots also. So just and you know, you don't have to go too hard because you might just break your strands of hair. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna make a bun. Okay, so that low bun look, and I'll see you in some time. So here it is. So you can definitely see then, you know, good, luscious, healthy hair can make so much change your personality. So yes, I have done makeup because when I was getting ready, I was just, you know, I was so in love with my hair. Just look at the softness and everything. Imagine the amount of aloe vera I've put. The egg has done its job. The castor oil is amazing. So do try this pack. And people who wants to know what I have done to my eyes, I have gone really, like, I have not done much of a makeup like this. Just this all is done within 5 minutes. But as I do like my blue eyes today, I've done it after a long time, and definitely, you know, I'm thinking of doing a blue eye makeup tutorial. Let's see if I can make it. You can also see my Karwa Chauth video if you want. I'll link it in the description box. That in that video I have done a blue eye makeup. So that video went, a lot of people liked it, so I'm sure you like that. Otherwise, I'll make a separate tutorial with my western clothes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do like and comment on my videos. Do share. I'm getting a lot of finally, you know, I'm getting some kind of response on my videos where people are telling me what products they want to use. Like if you're looking in particular category, like, you know, what price range and everything, you can definitely ask me. I'll suggest you something which I feel is a good brand and quite effective. So that's it for now, and I'm in love with my hair. So I think this hair mask really works. I'm in love with it, and take care. Bye bye.